Hello everyone, it's been a while. I just want to have this video to give thanks kasi naka-receive ako ng box ng box. Anyway, I did not order this. I have no idea about it. Pero when I look at it, it's Jo Malone na perfume. So, it's Decant's list of perfume. I don't have any idea. Pero let me just give thanks about it. This came from Miss Regine Kabatingan. 8-hour cruise straight Merville, Dampalit, Malabon City. So, this is in front of Cascento Builders in Malabon City. So, if you have or if you want to order, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if she's the one who's selling this. Decant's list of perfume. You can just search it on Shopee, I guess. But let's try. I'm happy. I'm grateful. It's surprising. So let's try this Jo Malone English pear. Okay. Wait lang. Yeah, it's good. It's refreshing. Light lang yung scent. Mabango. Parang high school. Jo Malone. Hindi siya yung sobrang tapang. So, let's try another. It's Nectarine, Blossom, and Honey. It's 10 ml. I received 3 of this. So, let's try. Bango. Parang nung high school ka. It's good. Light lang siya. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. So, the last one. Okay. Ang ganda ng packaging nila, in fairness. So, Peony and Blush Sweet. Oh my God. Wait lang. We need to hurry. So, oh my God. Ang bango niya. Yung very luxurious. Para ka nasa lobby ng hotel. Ayun. Tapos, you're playing bossa nova na mga songs. Anyways, lahat ay mabango. Lahat ay gusto ko. And I'm happy. I'm happy to receive random gifts like this. So, it comes with a good packaging. Purple and pink. Yun. So, if you want to order, Decant's. Try it. Bye. Thank you.